candy, 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 candy. I got candy.
Leaving places.
You need to relax.
I can't see your face.
I still feel really bad about that, Sam. It's still really funny.
What was?
I was fighting with my mother and I accidentally drove off and left her in AJC Hopper's back. And she calls me on the cell phone and says, "Do you think you forgot something?" I thought you were in the car.
Haha, fucker.
No, I'm not in the car. And I stopped fighting with your grandma because it was so funny. Oh, God. Sorry, Sam. She's so mad.
Didn't you leave her at the mall parking lot?
No.
I thought you did.
No, I didn't leave her at the mall parking lot. She's parking right over here.
Well, it's not as funny as the pink Pontiac that's at my aunt and uncle's new apartment. It's straight up pink. I have no idea.
Where are we going?
Sam needs frosting.
Oh.
But I'm sitting
If
there.
I go to the Family Dollar, they might have better frosting. They might have cheap frosting. Oh, they don't.
Me and my uncle are starting to walk into the apartment, and all I start doing is, "Come on, Barbie, let's go party." And my uncle's just sitting there laughing his ass off.
Wow, wow.
Leaving Sammy in the parking lot's funny. I went back and got her.
She's probably thinking to herself, "You."
You left me at elementary school.
Well, that was an accident.
You left me at soccer practice.
I did not.
Did too.
I did not.
Did too.
I did not.
You did.
No, I didn't. Not soccer
did.
practice.
Yeah, I remember
No, I was just
clearly.
like getting you. So
Yeah, good excuse.
That's all I have to say.
Dude, you can't
It's
see shit.
Zebra.
Family Dollar lost its sign, I
It did.
think.
Would you stop hitting snowbanks?
It's fun.
No.
Look how big that mountain is.
Want to go climb it?
Can we?
No. No, Muhammad, you cannot climb the mountain.
Who's Muhammad?
You. Who's Muhammad? Oh my God.
Oh, maybe there's frosting in big lots.
No, there's not frosting in big lots.
They sell frosting.
It's that shit.
Oh, there could be frosting in big lots then. Do you want to get off at big lots?
Yeah.
All right. I'll drop you at your Family Dollar. Hopefully the cop doesn't show up and arrest me.
I'll help you find it.
So yeah,
So yeah, what?
I need to pee.
Really? You couldn't have done that before we left the house? Oh yeah. I've traveled 139 miles since Friday morning. I win. Well, that answers my question. The truck died there.
Can you hold this?
Go away. Put that off.
It's a video.
What?
It's a video.
Why? I don't want a video. Thank you.
Do you know how many videos I have of you?
I hope none. I hope none.
You're funny.
Take videos and pictures of me. I don't like them.
We are all working under the expectation that school will be open on Wednesday, but certainly we want to take one day at a time.
Rockton, Lynn, and Somerville schools will also be closed tomorrow. You can see the complete storm center list
Any final words?
cbsboston.com. All this snow has made driving on Beacon Hill a nightmare, and
Oh, I do.
The best of conditions.
I want candy.
From